Alright family, now I'm going to show you how to set up Google Search Console. This is a powerful SEO tool, and SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. And the cool thing about this tool is it's free. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to head on over to google.com. So go ahead and type in google.com in your search bar. And then in the search bar here, we want to type in Google Search Console. Okay, and click enter. You should see something that says Google Search Console Tools. Go ahead and click that. Okay, you want to click start now. If you don't have an account, it's probably going to ask you to set up an account. I already have an account. Okay, once you set up your account, you want to go over here to the top left and click where it says add property. Okay, and we want to come over here to our URL prefix. And our URL for our website is https://mycoolchurch.siterubics.com. Okay, and we want to click continue. You put in your web address, whatever your web address is. That is my web address. Okay, if you want to get your web address, just go right here where it says visit my site and click open link in new tab. Excuse me, family. Okay, and then you could just copy this right here, and that'll be your web address. All right, so once you entered it in, you're going to get something that looks like this. Right where it says HTML tag, I want you to click that and then click copy. Okay, we want to click that. All righty, now we want to head back over here to our dashboard of our website. Okay, I showed you how to log into your dashboard, so you want to go there. Next thing you want to do is you want to go where it says appearance, click there, and then scroll down where it says theme file editor, you want to click there. You want to come over here to the right where it says theme header, click right there. Okay, and now you want to find your head section. This is your head section. Let me just take a look here. Yeah. Okay, so you want to find your head section. Go right below that. So we're going to just go ahead and click enter, and then I'm going to paste that code that we got, that code that we had from over here. Remember the code? I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to paste it right underneath the header section. We want to click update file. Okay, and then we're just going to go click dashboard. Now we want to go back over here to where it says verify ownership. So remember, we used the HTML tag and we want to verify. So let's go ahead and click verify, and we should be good to go. Let's see, your meta tag is not in the head section of your home page. Okay, let me see, maybe I put it in the wrong section. Let's go back to appearance, theme file editor, header section. Okay, let me go here, take that out, and let's put it in the head section. Okay, sorry about that. And paste it in there, hit update file. Now we're going to go back over here, and remember we want to use this verify, not this one, but the HTML tag, and we want to click verify. Let's see what happens. All right, family, we are good to go. You have now verified your website with Google Search Console. Keep it locked. Okay, good stuff. This is very exciting because now that you have Google Search Console installed on your website, you just opened up access to one of the most powerful SEO tools on the market, and it's free. So let me show you the benefits of Google Search Console. Check it out. Okay, so now I am in the Google Search Console of My Cool Church website, or My Cool website, I think it's called it. mycoolchurch.siterubics.com. Yeah, here it is. mycoolchurch.siterubics.com. I have a lot. You'll probably only have one if this is your first time setting it up. So let's go ahead and click on this one right here. We want to click on this property. Find your website, click on it. Now, if you notice, we have no data. So there's nothing to read. It's going to take about a week or two for Google to recognize your website and start sending you data, once you start writing blogs and put some content on your website. But I'm going to show you how you can use Google Search Console with an existing website that I have, and I'll show you the data from there. I'm going to go to my church website, excuse me, vocapetown.net. Now let me show you something powerful about this tool. Once you start getting data, Google is going to show you, if you click performance, it's going to show you how many clicks you're getting, how many impressions you're getting, what's your CTR, and your average position. So what is all this? Okay, total clicks is how many times somebody has clicked on your listing in Google. Now remember, let me just show you. Let's take our time here. When you go to Google and I type in how to find a church near me, these are all results. These are called results, okay? Search engine results. So what Google does is it keeps track of all this. It keeps track of what someone typed in and the results that show up. So when you go to performance, Google tells you how many clicks you get, how many impressions you get, what's your click-through rate, and what's your average position. So let's look at each one. Total clicks is how many times somebody clicked on your listing. Total impressions is how many times your listing showed. It doesn't necessarily mean they clicked on it, but it showed up. Okay? Average click-through rate is the percentage of impressions versus clicks. So you get 100 impressions and 10 clicks, your click-through rate is 10%. Okay? Average position is the position where it shows up in Google. So you got 1, 2, 3. This is position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, and it goes all the way down. Okay? And then when you go to the next page, it continues on. So Google's telling you your average position. Okay? So let's go ahead and do a keyword that we're actually ranking for, because this gets powerful. Now it shows you all the keywords that your website is ranking for, what people type in Google. So when someone goes to Google and type in Victory Outreach Rehab, we showed up 972 times, and it was clicked 154 times. The click-through rate is 15%, and our average position is 5. That's powerful. If you go to Free Rehab Centers in Cape Town, we showed up 351 times, 32 clicks, 9% click-through rate, and our average position is 8.5. That's powerful. So when someone goes to Google and they type in Free Rehab Centers in Cape Town, we're showing up because we optimize our blog and our website for those keywords. Let's go to Google and test it out. So I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to type in Free Rehab in Cape Town. Free Rehab in Cape Town. Let's see if our website shows up. Free Rehab in Cape Town. Let's scroll down. There it is. Free Rehab in Cape Town. You can see I optimized. I put the keyword in the meta title. Come on, somebody, what I taught you earlier. So when I click on this blog, guess where it takes me to? It's going to take us to our church's website. Let's check it out. There it is. There's the testimonies. It's a blog that's optimized. If you go to our home page, there's our church's website. Isn't that powerful? So Google is telling us when somebody types in Free Rehab Centers in Cape Town, how many clicks we're getting. Come on, somebody. Isn't that powerful? How many impressions we're getting. What's our click-through rate and our average position? But look at all these keywords that we're ranking for. We're only showing 10, but we're actually ranking for 761 keywords. Let's show 500, and I'll get ready to go to the next lesson. See all these keywords we're ranking for? Look at that. And look how many clicks we're getting. That's evangelism online. Why? Because we're writing blogs. Let me show you our website. If you go to where it says testimonies, we write testimonies. Look at that. These are all blogs. We put our sermons. So there's so much you can do. You could put testimonies. You could put the notes of your sermon. And every blog you write is going to help you to rank for more keywords. This is powerful stuff. And you just got access to one of the most powerful SEO tools on the market, and it's free. All right, let's go ahead and get into the next lesson. I'm going to show you some more tips and techniques on Google Search Console. All right, family, let me show you some powerful tips and techniques of Google Search Console and how you can use it to grow traffic to your church's website. Okay, so we left off here, and we were talking about our keyword, Free Rehab Centers in Cape Town, and how many clicks it was getting. So I think we're here, Free Rehab Centers in Cape Town. We got 10 clicks. Or no, that's Rehab Centers in Cape Town. I'm sorry. Let's go. Free Rehab Centers in Cape Town is 32 clicks, 351 impressions, 9.1% click-through rate, and position 8.5. But if you notice, not only are we ranking for this keyword, we're ranking for Victory Outreach Rehab Cape Town, rehab centers in Cape Town for free rehabs in Cape Town. So these are all keywords that we're ranking for. Christian rehab centers in Cape Town. So here's the tip I want to show you in a technique. Now what you can do is you can write a blog on this keyword. So you can write a blog that says Christian rehab centers in Cape Town. And you start writing content, put some pictures of your rehab or whatever you want to do. If your church doesn't have a rehab, once you install Google Search Console, it's going to show you the words that your website is ranking for. Then you can start writing blogs around that. The reason why we're ranking for rehab centers in Cape Town, because we have a free rehab. And I optimize a lot of our blogs for that keyword. So you might optimize your blog for church near me or Christian church near me. And then once you optimize one blog, it's not just going to rank for one keyword. It's going to rank for many keywords. And Google Search Console will show you the keywords that it's ranking for. And then you can get more ideas for different blogs for the words that you're already ranking for. Powerful. This is online evangelism at its finest. Look at that. We're ranking for Christian rehab centers in Cape Town. So we could do a blog on that. Victory Outreach Rehab locations. You could do a blog on that. Victory Outreach Recovery Home. You could do a blog on that. Look at all these keywords. We're ranking for over 700 keywords. Let me show you. If I scroll down, we got 761 keywords, and I'm showing the first 500 words. But let's go back. Let's just show maybe 100 words. So here's all the keywords that we're ranking for. Look at that. Christian rehabilitation centers. Free rehabilitation centers in Cape Town. So Google Search Console is a powerful tool. And I just want to encourage you, if you haven't installed it, install it. It's free. And like I said, it might take a little while for you to get some data. It might take a week or two, but I showed you how to install it. I encourage you to do it, and you're going to start getting data that will help you in the SEO of your website. And it'll take your online evangelism to another level. Keep it locked. What's up, family? Before we move on from Google Search Console, there's so much I can show you, but let me just show you one more video on some tips and techniques of Google Search Console, and this is part 2. Check it out. Now here's some more cool things that you could actually get from Google Search Console. Not only does it show you the keywords that you're ranking for, how many clicks you're getting, how many impressions you're getting, which is right there powerful. Like impressions are like passing out a flyer. And clicks are like how many people come to your church from the flyer. Tell me that's not powerful, but it's being done online. Okay? So another thing that Google Search Console shows you is the pages that are actually ranking for those keywords. So for example, if I want to find out what page is ranking for free rehab center in Cape Town, I can do that. All I have to do, let me just show you real quick. If I go to, let me see here, let me just go to performance. Okay, and I click queries. You want to click queries. That's all your keywords. Okay, so I'm just going to do the first 50 keywords. Boom. And let me see. Let me find out. Okay, so let's find out. If you want to find out what page is ranking in Google for rehab centers in Cape Town, I click on that word. Okay, once I click on that word, I want to go to pages. And Google is going to tell me, hey, here's your pages that are ranking for that keyword. Isn't that powerful? So then I can visit that page and Google will tell me, hey, this page right here is ranking for that keyword. So with that information, there's so much you can do. You know, you could say, hey, people are searching rehab centers in Cape Town for free. You could put a video on here and say, hey, maybe you've been searching for a rehab center in Cape Town. I want to let you know you found the right blog. There's so much you can do knowing what keyword has drawn people to this blog. Not only that, not only does it show you the pages, it shows you the countries that are visiting the website. South Africa, Canada, Bangladesh, United States. So we've gotten 10 clicks in South Africa. And not only that, it tells you the devices. Mobile, 9 clicks. Desktop, 9 clicks. Why is that important? Because that tells you that people that are visiting this blog are watching it pretty much on mobile. So you don't want to have a lot of big paragraphs. You know, because on mobile, people don't want to read a big old sea of text. So you want to try to split up some of your paragraphs. Like even this one, I could go in and maybe split this one up into two. I could maybe split this one up, split this one up. So I'll probably do that after this class. I'll probably go in and split this up. Well, let me show you how to do that real quick. Let me show you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this blog, and I'm going to go in and make this big paragraph. I'm going to make it 2 sentences because people are viewing it on mobile, and people don't want a big sea of text on mobile. So what I do is I go in and I just chop it up a little bit. See that? That's going to keep the reader's attention. Chop it up a little bit. Even here, let's chop this one up a little bit. See? See how I'm doing it? Let's even chop this one up. And then let's go over here, chop that one up. Make it short as possible. So now we know people are viewing this on mobile, so I'm going to go ahead and update it. Remember, you want to save it. So now when we view the blog, it's not going to be a whole lot of sea of text, and it's going to be nice for mobile view. See that? So when you view it on a mobile, you know, it's more likely that you're going to read the text. All right, so that's another powerful feature of Google Search Console. And once again, if you want to find a query, so let me go ahead and take this query off because it has rehab centers. So if you want to find the keywords you're ranking for, you just click queries. It'll give you all your keywords. If you want to find more, right now we're only showing the first 10. I'm going to show 100. And look at, we're ranking for Victory Outreach Goodwood, The Power of Salvation, Victory Outreach Rehab Cape Town, Victory Outreach Church. So if I want to know what page is ranking for this keyword, I click on it, right? It's going to load up, and then I just go to pages. Click on pages, and it tells me all these pages are ranking for Victory Outreach Church. And which one's getting the most clicks? This one here, and that's our home page. This is powerful information. I encourage you to install Google Search Console.